Friends, today we see about human eye anatomy. This is the structure of human eye. First we labeling this structure. First, this part we called ora serrata. Ora serrata. Next one, this part we called ciliary body. Ciliary body. And third one, this chamber we called posterior chamber. What? Posterior chamber. Posterior chamber. And fourth one, this. It is posterior chamber, and this is anterior chamber. Anterior chamber. And this one, it is cornea. It is cornea. And this one, this is pupil. This is seventh one. This one, iris. This one, eighth one, it is called zonules. And ninth one, this is sclera. Tenth one, it is inferior rectus. Inferior rectus. And this part we called optic disc, or else it's also called blind spot. And 12th one, this is called optic nerve. This one called optic nerve. And 13th, this is central retina. Central retina. And this part, this is central retinal, and this also central retinal. And 15th, it is fovea centralis. Fovea centralis. This part, it is fourth layer. It is retina. And last one, this part, this is inferior rectus, this is superior rectus. Friends, now let us see about these labeling functions. This is mind labeling. These are the function. What is the function of this? First one, ora serrata. This is multi-layered photosensitive region and serrated junction between retina and ciliary body. Next one, ciliary body. Ciliary body, it is ciliary body, this part. Ciliary body changes the shape of the lens. It changes the shape of the lens when the eye focuses. Next one, posterior chamber. This part we call posterior chamber. Posterior chamber is production and circulation of aqueous humor. Production and circulation of aqueous humor. Next one, anterior chamber. Anterior chamber, it controls the amount of light that enters the eye by opening and closing the pupil. It controls the eye, it controls the amount of light that enters the eye by opening and closing the pupil. This part pupil. Next we see cornea. Cornea, it is like a window that controls the and focusing the entry of light into eye. When the light enters the when light enters the eye, it control the amount of light that enters the eye by opening and closing the pupil. Okay. Next one, pupil. Pupil, cornea, iris, lens. These are the human eye four main part. We see. Okay. Next we zonules. This part we call zonules. Zonules, it hold the lens in place. It hold the lens in the place. Next one, inferior rectus. Inferior rectus, it depressing the eye, causing the cornea and pupil to move inferiorly. It depressing the eye, causing the cornea and pupil to move inferiorly. Next one, optic disc. Optic disc, it also called blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot, the point of exit for ganglion cell axons leaving the eye because there is no rods or cones, because no rods and no cones. So the point of exit for ganglion cell axon leaving the eye. Ganglion cell means it process visual visual information that begins as light entering the eye and transmit it to the brain via their axons, which are long fiber that make up optic nerve. Okay. Next we see central retina. Central retina. Central retina means it from the eyeball and drains blood from the capillaries of the retina into either superior ophthalmic vein or into the cavernous cell directly. And optic nerve, this part we call optic nerve. Optic nerve means it transmits sensory information for vision in the form of electrical impulses from the eye to brain. It transmits sensory information for vision in the form of electrical impulse from the eye to brain. Next we see central retina after fovea centrals. Fovea centrals, this is part the fovea centrals. This is part fovea centrals. It locates in the center of macula lutea, a small flat spot located exactly in the center of posterior portion of the retina. Okay, it is located in the center of macula lutea, a small flat spot located exactly in the center of posterior portion of retina. Next, retina. Retina means next we see retina. Retina is the responsible for high accuracy vision. Retina, it is a high its location is the back of the eye. Its location is the back of the eye. It contains electrical signal from light transmission coming our eyes, and these electrical signal are sent to the brain and it recognizes images. Okay, it recognizes images. Last we see superior rectus. It is inferior rectus, and last one superior rectus. It is one of the extraocular muscle. It's one of the extraocular muscle. In human eye, four main parts. In human eye, four main parts. First one cornea, second one pupil, third one iris, fourth one lens. First one cornea, second one pupils, and third one iris, and fourth one lens. Cornea means it is a front layer of eye and it is structured like dome shape. Pupil, it is a black dotted and center of eye. It controlled by the iris. And iris, it controls the size of the pupil and amount of light enter your eye. Next one, lens. Lens is behind the iris and pupil. It likes camera. The lens bring the image in front of you into a sharp focus, which allows you to see the details clearly. And last one, retina. It is important part. Retina means it located at the back of the eye. It contains electrical signal from the light transmission coming our eyes, and these electrical signal are sent to the brain and it recognizes images. Next we see eyes. These are the eye structure. All the different parts of our eyes work together to help we see. Next we see how tears comes from eyes. First, light rays passes through cornea. Cornea means the clear front layer of eye. It is structure, we already see that this is a shape like dome shape structure, and it bends light to help the eye focusing. Some of the lights when entering the eye through pupil. The iris, it controls much light it enter the pupils in. After light passes through the lens of eye, these lens and cornea works together to focus light well on the part of retina. When the light hits the retina, the special cells, that is photoreceptors, turns the light into electrical signals. It turns into electrical signal. These signals came from retina through the optic nerve to the brain. Brain turns the signals into the images that time we all see, and tears also works currently, and also tears comes. Okay, we mentioned that photoreceptor. What is photoreceptor? What is the type of the photoreceptor? Next we see photoreceptor. This is a specialized neuron found in retina. This is the specialized neurons found in retina. Its place location exactly in retina center. Signal from the cornea are sent to the brain, which translate these messages into the perception of color. This translate these message into the perception of color. It consists of two parts. First one, rods. Second one, cones. Rods, it is a color. Cones is brightness. Okay, we next see what is the difference between rods and cones. Rods and cones. Rods is the night vision. Cones is the day vision. It works in the night mode, and cone cell is the work on the day mode. Okay, next we see this in rod cell found around periphery, in cone cell found around fovea. In periphery, it is the everything you see off to the side of your central focus while you are looking straight ahead. Periphery means. Okay, then fovea is the tiny pit located in the macula of the retina that provides the clearest vision of all. It provides clearest vision. So, but in periphery, it is the around the periphery, found in around periphery, but in found around fovea, periphery and fovea. Okay, it is low resolution, and cone cell is the high resolution. Resolution means it's the individual point of color or pixel contained on a display of eyes. Okay, it's individual point of color or pixel contained on a display of eyes. Okay, fourth point, vision is achromatic, and in cone cell is vision is red, green, blue. In vision is achromatic. Achromatic means it's the it quantities like white, gray, black. White, gray and black. But there is red, green, blue. This is the photoreceptor schematic representation. This has a schematic representation. In the photoreceptor, we see the two types, rods and cones. This is called rods and this is called cones. This is the photoreceptor. It is a sensitive organ to the human brain. Okay friends, this video will help you for you. Thank you friend.